Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Maricel Vieses. I'm a Filipino.
How old are you?
I'm 31 years old.
Are you single or married?
Yeah, I'm single.
You're single. Okay. So what position are you applying for?
I want a nanny,
Nanny
a
job.
position of nanny. Yeah,
Okay. Nanny job. So
job.
when would you be able to start working?
If
Hmm?
if this last of the month, if I have an employer, if okay, no problem. This last of November.
Okay. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
No, I don't have relatives here in UAE.
Okay. Please describe your present job.
My present job is I'm working in the home as a housemaid,
Mm-hmm.
and now I want to apply as a nanny.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities for your present employer?
To my present employer,
Mm-hmm.
uh,
What's your duties and responsibilities? What do you do for them?
I want to do to her children.
No, with your present employer, what are you doing? Are you in charge of the household chores or looking after children?
Yeah.
You're in charge of?
In the house.
So what what do you do with them specifically? Like for example, are you doing washing, ironing, cleaning?
Yeah,
What do you do?
I do washing all washing, iron, and cleaning, and cooking also.
And cooking also. Do they have children?
Yeah, 4 children.
4 children. And are you in charge of them?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you enjoy doing in your present job? Cleaning, cooking, or looking after children?
I'm enjoying. I'm
What?
enjoying also with cooking and cleaning also in the home, and especially to care the children.
Okay. So, you said you know how to cook. What kind of foods you can cook?
But before, I know how to cook in only Arabic food.
Okay, what kind of Arabic foods you can prepare?
Like biryani,
Mm-hmm.
and I know how to make salata, and I know also how to make bread.
Okay. So, do you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks? Cookbooks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, if you're going to work as a nanny, what favorite activities you will do with the children? What activities are you going to do with the children? Play, sing, read books, what?
Um,
Yes, what activities are you going to do with the children?
like playing.
Playing. Okay.
Yeah.
So aside from playing, what else? Are you going to teach them how to read, sing, dance, what?
Yeah. Okay.
What?
Yeah.
What's that? Playing and? Yes, playing. What activities? Playing and
Also reading.
reading. Okay.
Yeah.
So, if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do? For example, the children are playing in the park and then all of a sudden, one of the children accidentally bump his head on the floor. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Are you going to call your employer or comfort the child and give him?
Yeah. I want to call to my employer, and when I tell about that the children is they have the problem, like I'm going to the park, something like that. It's still all about that.
Okay, so you will inform your employer.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping? Are you willing
What?
to do light chores while the baby is sleeping?
No.
No. Okay. So, as a nanny, could you say no to a child? I will give you a situation. For example, the child wants to go to the park alone. Are you going to say yes or no?
No.
Yes. You have to say no because it's very dangerous for the child. But you have
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
explain why are you saying no. Okay. So, how much is your minimum expected salary?
2,000 above.
So, the minimum expected salary that you're willing to accept. At
2,000.
least, at least 2,000. Okay.
Yeah.
So, give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Why should they hire you? What qualities do you have that will make them decide to choose you? Like, for example, are you hardworking, honest, flexible, friendly, patient? What are your qualities? Yes, what are your qualities? Are you hardworking, honest, flexible? Mm-hmm.
Hello? Yeah?
Yes. Are you hardworking, honest, flexible? What
Yeah.
qualities
I'm
do you
hard
have?
work. Yeah, I'm hardworking and flexible with.
Mm-hmm. You're hardworking and flexible.
Yeah.
Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Maricel from AidCV.com. Thank you.